working on a new version of one of my original recipes that was in my very first cookbook, which is avocado gelato. It's one of Daniel's favorites. So we made some tweaks to our diet, like many of you, where we got a little lazy throughout the year, and now we are doing like no sugar. So I had to make some tweaks because it had honey in it. And here's what you will need: 1 avocado, a half cup of cacao, a 1/4 cup of either monk fruit or erythritol, and then optional is 2 tablespoons of simple syrup with stevia, not sugar, a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of vanilla, your choice, and salt to taste. It's like a 1/4 teaspoon, but I just do it to taste. 1 can of coconut cream, not coconut milk, get coconut cream. And then about a 1/4 cup of almond milk, or as needed to make it the right consistency. The trick with this is I actually prefer it as a pudding, but you can put it in the freezer and make it like avocado gelato. You can put it in popsicle holders and make it like a fudgesicle.